welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry I haven't filmed in a long time, but to make up for it, I have my sister Keely here. For today's video, we are doing the Not My Hand Slime Challenge. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. I'm super excited, so why don't we just get started? Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we've got this giant t-shirt on that we're sharing and a bag over her head. And she's going to grab the glue, which is to her left, and pour it in the bowl. So I'm going to tell you the steps as she does it, okay? Now, she's not very good at making slime in general, so let's just see how this goes with her blindfolded. And we already did a video like that, but she's, yeah, using her arms in my shirt. Ah, okay. I'm really scared. Hold the bowl still. Okay, you got glue in there. Put the lid on and move the glue to the side so they can see our faces. I can hear you breathing. Scoot it over more. Okay, good enough. So, I feel like that's in the way. Kind of scoot it towards your right more. Towards the right, not towards you. Okay, next step is shaving cream. Okay, you've got the shaving cream. There's a lid on it. I'm scared. You're almost gonna chop me in the face with it. Okay. Shake it up. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, scoot that to the side. Alrighty. Now, baking soda. Okay, there's a little spoon thingy in it. I'm so scared. Okay, that's good. Slide the box over. Okay, now lotion. Or paint, you can do paint. Okay, that's great. I didn't think that your hands would be in my face the entire time. Okay, scoot it over to the side. Oh, that was the baking soda. Well, that's okay. Paint now. Okay. Can you guess the color?
Me?
Yes.
Blue?
Just pour it in. Okay. Now scoot over the lotion some, but it's going to knock into the baking soda. Anyways, just stir. Stir it all up. I can hear her breathing like really loudly. Are you suffocating?
A little.
You good?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Stir it up good.
Is that good?
What, do you think it's good?
Yeah.
Alright, now get the contact solution. We're getting really close. Okay, my hair's about to go into the slime. Stir that up. What are you looking for?
Spoon. Oh.
Are you having a heat
A
stroke?
little.
Me too. It's really hot in here, cameraman.
I have a bag over my head.
I have a bag over my head. Hey, I don't know if... Okay.
Is that good?
No, add some more contact solution. I mean... I need to tell you something.
You're narrating it.
Well, your contact solution isn't exactly going in the bowl. Okay, you got it now. It's in the bowl. Okay. All right, stir it up. Get all the slime. Get it all really good.
Oh, that's sticky. Ew! Oh!
What?
Nothing.
The slime is literally about to touch my face.
Alright, done.
Are you done?
Yep.
That's the end product? Okay, show it to the camera. Ooh. Alright, take your mask off.
It's so bright. Ooh, I did pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's not actually an awful slime. Can I take my arms out now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it. Ooh, it's really not super shaving foamy, but super fluffy. So thank you guys so much for watching and seeing my sister do this amazing slime with a spoon in it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Cameraman. Cameraman.